guys, so they're moving everything out. All of this is gonna be gone. Little by little, guys. Once they moved out those 2 freezers, well, juice refrigerators, that's what they're called. It's a refrigerator for juice. Once they moved that out, guys, it was so much space. That's funny. Yeah, so they put it on the forklift. Their company, the people that moved this, they're not that far from our location. So they're gonna come and they move it. Gonna put it on the forklift and drive it. So excited. If you're in the PSL area and you need commercial equipment, you gotta go to Marano's. That's where we go if we need stuff. So if you're in PSL, go to Marano's and you can get all your commercial equipment. If you have a business that you're starting and you need to get, stuff done, if you have a food truck that you need to be built, Marano's can do that for you. If you need equipment moved, delivered, they do everything, guys. So they're picking this fridge up on the forklift, and then they're gonna move it to the location. He's gonna stand on it now and hold it. Perfecto. And he goes and drives. No.
And those are his. He's not coming back. He's not coming back. He said, whatever we don't want to go, but he had a lot of meals when I get ready to care about the thing himself. He said,
and there you go. Woo, look at that, guys. So he stands on there and holds it. Yeah, their location is not too far from where we're at. So that's good.
all right.
So they can just yeah, look at that. It's easier for them to just drop the stuff off. They don't have to load it in a truck or anything. They can just right there. So guys, the floor is a mess, but that's okay. Look how spacious it looks. You walk in and it's
like
spacious.
if you put it closer, it's gonna be off in the back.
Spacious.
Did it move to? Oh, this is the movie set.
Oh, it can?
Yeah, papi. You think, do you want to move it back or you want to start right here?
I don't know. I was gonna sweep in. He's a cleaner, guys. I don't know if you guys know that, but my husband's a cleaner. He likes stuff clean. Right, honey? So he's there cleaning. That's how it looks from this angle. It's a big place. There's just a lot of unnecessary equipment in here that we don't need. I know I keep on saying that, but it's true. So it doesn't make any sense. We have all this unnecessary equipment taking up space. And so this is how it looks from this side. Husband cleaning. He did good. That's how it looks from the back. It's going good. It's going good. We're excited. We're still working on getting the electrical off. This still has to go. This fridge. This still has to go. The pizza oven still has to go. This still has to go. And then this refrigerator that we're going to keep for our drinks is going to go in the front. So once it goes in the front, then we can really clean it. And we clean the inside. Well, my husband cleaned the inside yesterday. It's a very nice fridge. See that? It was spick and span. So once we clean the outside and get into the nook and crannies, fill it up with some nice cola champagne. Not true. I'm not gonna take that.
This one's better put on wheels. Wheels, right? They never put on wheels? Yeah. It's better put on wheels in case they want to clean it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But it's money. Yeah.
To put wheels?
Let me pick it up first.
No, I'm not over there. But it's a lot of stuff going on, guys. It's a lot of stuff. Places, everything's all over the place, but we're moving the stuff. We're moving. His phone is always ringing. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff gonna come out of here. I cannot wait. I cannot wait, guys. You see, when the stuff gets out of here, it's going to be so much more spacious. We can get to a deep cleaning. They're gonna come, and I have my little bonnet here. You know, since you're doing a lot of cleaning, you don't want your hair out. This is not the time to have hair out, hanging out. No, you want to cover your hair because you're doing a lot of cleaning. You're in a place that hasn't been open for, you know, over 8 months. So, you know, you don't want, you know, oh, the skin is skimming. So, yeah, so once everything is out, it's going to look so much more spacious. We can really get down to it. They're going to come either later on today, or my husband and I are going to, you know, just talk about it and see if who's going to come and clean the grease trap and also the hood. Let me show you. Come and clean the hood. So you know, we don't go with the first offer. We always get 3 or 4 different quotes, and so we're gonna have them come clean that, the hood, and then they're gonna clean the grease trap. That's the grease trap right there. So all that's gonna be clean and looking all nice and clean. But right now they're moving the, they're opening up the door to get all the appliances out much easier. So it's a lot of work, but it will get done. It will get done. You definitely need them to be on wheels. Definitely need it to be on wheels. It's easier when it's on wheels. Taking the slicers away, guys. We don't really use slicers. Yeah, we don't use slicers at all. We don't need that. So, and he's removing the power in the middle. There was some outlets. We don't really need that. Everything that we're going to be using is going to be on this side for the most part. My mixer, I'm gonna have it probably like up here somewhere. So I don't really need all this stuff. It's just extra stuff taking up space.